In this video, I will show you how you can create and send direct contract to your clients who are not on Upwork. With direct contract, a freelancer can create and send contracts to clients who are not on Upwork, or who are not registered on Upwork website. Next, the clients can accept the contract and deposit funds as payments with Upwork website in escrow. Once the job or the task is performed, Upwork will release the funds that are in escrow to the freelancer. For this escrow service, Upwork will charge a fees of 3.4% of the total contract amount, which will be deducted from the total contract amount and remitted in the freelancer PayPal or bank account. Upwork assistance team will mediate if there is any dispute in the project between the client and the freelancer. So let me show you the process of creating and sending direct contract on Upwork. Once we are signed into Upwork site, we need to click this arrow icon on the top right side of the page. Next, we need to click Create a Contract button. In this pop-up window, we need to enter all the information for the new contract. In the first field we need to enter the client's email address. The clients should not be registered on Upwork. Next, we need to enter a name for the contract, always better to enter the task title here. In this description box, we can write a brief content on the project. And here, we can select if the work is paid on an hour basis or fixed price jobs. And we can continue with the contract. Here, we can enter the total contract amount for the project the client will need to pay. And we also have the Upwork direct contract fees of 3.4% deducted amount that will be sent to us after the project is finished. And before sending the contract, we can review the contract. Here, we can type in any additional note for the client regarding the task, along with emailing ourselves a preview of this contract. Finally, we can select and agree to Upwork terms of service and direct contract terms and policy. Once we click this Send Contract, an email will be sent to the client's email account, which will be pending until the direct contract is accepted and funds is deposited with Upwork in escrow. Let me show you the direct contract email the client will receive in his email account. The client can review the contract and enter all the information in this form, and continue with the direct contract with Upwork, or can decline the direct contract. I hope this video is helpful to you. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, to get updates when we add new contents.